So, you're growing your business, or you just started one. You ask yourself, what would be the most cost-effective way to advertise my company? You can make a TV commercial. It's effective, but expensive. So you start to think of other ways that could help you get more exposure, like the newspaper. Nope. Billboards? Nah. Bench ads? Don't think so. Direct mail? It's affordable, effective, and smart. Not only is direct mail effective, but it's tangible. That means if a customer can hold and feel it, they're very likely to read your message. Direct mail can also be easily tracked. All an advertiser has to do is offer a motivational coupon or promotion, and the number of inquiries and foot traffic begin to grow. So, now you may be wondering, where to start? Well, that's where the Sensible Shopper steps in. The Sensible Shopper is a shared mail publication that offers local businesses an easy and affordable way to advertise to over 100,000 potential customers monthly. Our eye-catching mailers are kept local, so your ad is not drowning in a sea of national junk ads. Plus, our high-gloss coffee table format extends the shelf life of your ad up to 60 days. Sensible Shopper takes care of everything, from printing, postage, and even ad design. That's right, we want to remove all the roadblocks from you joining us in our next mailing. So call to reserve your spot today, and next month, your promotion could be in the hands of thousands. Sensible Shopper. We make advertising your business easy.